Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. If you are someone who likes celebrity gossip, celebrity news, this is the channel for you. Make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss anything. So guys, people are getting brand deals everywhere, and it's not just any brand deals like Abo Nivea, Abo Gentle Magic, Yabo Skincare, and Don Don. It's cars. Guys, people are getting cars and not just any cars, like big cars. So Utirelo got herself a beautiful, beautiful big car. Unyonyo vulwe moto. Like even Nosbindi doesn't even drive a car that big. It screams Real Housewives of I don't know where. It screams rich mommy. It screams rich aunt. It's just a big car, big nice car. Like hey guys, where do people get these brand deals? Because we also want them. Haibona siyazifuna le moto. So congratulations to Uterelo. She got herself a nice brand deal with a very big car. We wish her all the best, to many more brand deals to come. And another person also who got herself a brand deal is Grace Mondlane. So Grace Mondlane, guys, she recently sold her car, and then people were speculating with, okay, maybe she's moving to the States, girl, maybe that's why she sold her car. People were suspecting Djibouti after this whole drama that she was going through. Maybe she is moving, so hence she is selling her car. And girl knew ukuthi no, she's about to get a new car. She got a brand deal of such a big car now. Like these big cars, guys, they scream rich vibes, man. She got herself a nice big car now, Grace Mondlane. Now we wish her all the best. Congratulations to her, Kesana. That's all I have for you today, guys. We were just talking about people who got big cars. Imbokodo. Sana. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one.